Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back. We are on day 3 of our Fluency Coyote School News. We've been talking about expression, adding it with tone this week, and you have been doing such an excellent job. And I've pulled up our reader, and I pulled a selection that is on page 205 this week. Now, today is going to be your turn to model for me and for everyone else how well you're doing and to show off how fabulous your fluent reading has become because I've been so proud of the hard work that you've been doing. Now, remember, and I'm going to keep reminding you of this, that reading with expression, one of my favorite parts, is it makes a story more exciting. And that stressing some words with more or less feeling makes our stories more lively and more interesting. So, if you look here, I chose this section right here on page 205. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to model it for you. And then, but I'm going to leave the bigger task up to you. What I want you to do is after I'm done modeling, I want you to go back and I want you to look for the words in this passage that you can pick out, that you notice are the words that cause your expression to change, the words that cause your tone to change. They may be adjectives because remember, those are our descriptive words. Some of them even may be verbs because they're action verbs or they're action words. And actions cause our voice to go up and down as well because it's something that we do. And so, therefore, you are going to look at this section here, not very long, and I want you to pick out some of those words as you've read, practicing your fluency and reading with expression. I want you to type a few of those adjectives and or verbs, the words that you found that caused your voice to change. Which words caused your voice to rise with tone and expression, and which words caused you to go back down or lower with tone and expression. So type a few of those words that you notice that caused your voice to change. Type those in your comment box and post those for your teacher. So listen as I read this, and then your job is going to be to, like I said, remember, you're going to practice reading it 2 or 3 times, share it with someone at home, but then you're going to be looking for those words that also cause your expression and tone to change. Type them in your comment box and post it for your teacher. So here we go. Ha ha. By the time the last kid gets in, we're all squeezed together like sardines in a can. And the bus is shaking and bumping like it has a flat tire. I wish President Roosevelt would do something about these roads, I tell my Tio. Hey, you know what? You know how to write in English, he says. Write him a letter. Maybe I will, I say. So go back. You've heard how I've just modeled that for you. You go back. You read it with expression. You read it with tone. Get it down perfect. Don't forget to look for those words and don't forget to post them in your comment box. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Great job, guys. So proud of you. Bye-bye for now.